Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove lock screen password, PIN, or pattern on Samsung Galaxy F06 5G. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, privacy, security, and of course, lock screen settings. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. In the search bar, type lock screen and AOD, always on display. A few different options may pop up, like those related to Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, but don't worry about those. Look specifically for the option that says lock screen and AOD and tap on it. Step 4. From the search results, tap on lock screen and AOD. Locate the option labeled screen lock type. Tap on that. Your phone will ask you to verify your current PIN, pattern, or password. This is just a security measure to make sure it's really you making the change. So go ahead and enter your current code. Step 5. For the last and most important step, you'll see a list of screen lock types: pattern, PIN, password, swipe, and at the very bottom, none. To completely remove your lock screen security, tap on none. You've officially removed your lock screen password, PIN, or pattern. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.